Folks have asked me about the final edge on the knife. This is the system I use. You can buy them on the internet, $40 odd. Come with a variety of stones. Head here has a number of lines marked on it. If I can get it out. Okay. Along here, you'll see blue one fitted there. Take this back. Yellow, green, brown and blue. They're all your different angles that you can set it at. I've got this one set where I want it, which is roughly 12.5 degrees. That gives me a 25-degree pitch. For a hunting knife, that's not bad, especially with a hollow grind. So put it back in there and just work the blade across the surface slowly, half the width of the stone each time. I normally have a board underneath this, but I cut it up and turned it into knife blades last night. So that's pretty much it. It's just a constant working it down. The set comes with 4 good stones. I have bought aftermarket ones. I go down to about a 6,000 grit depending on that. These D2 tool knives, tool steel knives, I take them down to about 6,000 grit. And then I give them a light touch up with a 5 micron diamond file. And it's only a very light brushing stroke just to put a micro serration into it. And diamond's the only thing that'll touch these things. So, but that's it. You can get way better stones than what I've got there. But I don't think it's really needed. Thanks for watching.